Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Olojani Senkunku, Professor of Law, Professor of Natural Resources Management, Professor of Global Finance, Professor of Private International Law, Professor of Social Foundation of Law, Professor of Journalism, Press and Alternative Media, Professor of Economy, Professor of Green Economy we developed at Tangaza University. Today we are in Geneva headquarters, and Geneva headquarters. We are in November 13, 2021. November 13, 2021. Allow us, ladies and gentlemen, allow us to come back. We are today showing that African, the war in Ethiopia, no leader, no African leader speaks. No one. So what Freemasonic criminal organization used to do, they make the state of siege, the state of siege, l'état de siège, and they kill, they give blood of innocent to people, and when they remove, they will remove all bodies and that killing without evidence. That happened in the Mediterranean. When you see in the Mediterranean, how African, our sister, our mother, because the woman is the life. The woman used to give life. How our sister woman get in the Mediterranean, and all African leaders are not worried about that. How people can die like this in the Mediterranean? How we can let Africa dying because everybody get in a Freemasonic criminal organization? So this is a Mediterranean Holocaust. As you can see here also, how people can live like this? How people can live like this? So you are leaving the continent, African continent dying. That is a very, it's dangerous. Look, these people are supposed to be engineer, president, doctor, you know. They can support Africa. They are intelligent men. When they get there to get the paper, when they survive to get the paper in Europe, they have to wait many years, 10 years, 20 years. So how we can live African like this? So we stand for the truth. And as you see, how people can live like this, Africa. How Africa can live like this. So we are calling the United Nations International Day of Refugee of Mediterranean. There are many they bury in Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia. They bury them there. Their family doesn't know. Okay, we are never will get involved. We never will be complice of this death, this Holocaust, Ocean Holocaust for Freemasonic criminal organization. We refuse to be complicit. That's why we are calling Antonio Guterres and international United Nations that we International Day for refugee of Mediterranean. There are some issues that you don't know. How there is deep water, international water, and domestic water. How to save refugee for domestic water, from international water to domestic water? Who is in charge? Who? And how we can prevent that? It's the same. Our sister and brother are in Libya. You cannot solve all situation of Africa in Paris. Paris can organize everything, but how African can go to get solution in Paris? I don't think it's possible. African, we must get our solution in Africa. That why Paris didn't organize the peace of refugee from Belarusia, Poland and Russia. Why France didn't organize that? Why France have to focus in Europe to see? We're not saying that France cannot have international relation with Africa, but why France didn't organize the conference of peace of people, our people from refugee trapped between Varsovie, Russia, and Varsovie, Russia, and Belarus. Why? So we are calling for this refugee because it's very cold in Varsovie, Belarus, and Russia. We are calling. There are a family there. We receive report as elected Secretary General of the United Nations to save this family. We are calling international community and Antonio Guterres, United Nations, to without delay to send troops and a humanitarian convoy between Varsovie in Poland, Belarus and Russia to take care about these refugees, this family, these children are dying there. That's what we have to do. And also we request to Obama to remove our DNA. We saw our DNA, they take here in Switzerland, our DNA to American. I said I worked for American. My parents were assassinated, my ancestor there, but I'm not going to, I don't have any more business with American, because American want to kill even if a black pastor. There is a lawyer said that they don't want in the room built with our money that black pastors. So we don't need that, and remove our DNA, Obama. I don't want to put you down, because if you continue, I will put you down, and you know that I'm everywhere. And also, I'm asking to Antonio Guterres, my passport, United Nations passport. I don't want to stay here. The medicine they give me for blood pressure was for castration. Once castration, we give this medicine to another expert. And if the people want to kill you in secret, you cannot be with them. Okay? So, Antonio Guterres, take your responsibility for our passport, UN passport. We have to be in a security place just to reply, to work, to pay our medicine, good medicine, because they cannot control my health. They will kill me. So that's what we have. Thank you so much, and God bless all people around the world. Thank you.